Thanksgiving, cooking a banana pudding this morning with my son, Jaquan. It's gonna be all good. Okay, this is Thanksgiving Day. Look at all the food, the ham sauce there. This is some keto dressing. Huh? They did a beautiful job on the floor. Oh, they did. Okay, this is my cauliflower and Spanish cassouche cobbler here. And these are some lime shrimp. And this is the cornbread dressing here. And I didn't bake these, I just put them in the oven. They are not mine. So, sweet potato pies. I got another one in the refrigerator. The chocolate cake. Okay. And this is the cream cheese pound cake. Okay, here we go. And this is the banana pudding. Look how pretty that turned out. That's awesome. Okay, forgot one thing, the mac and cheese. Oh, I think I got the greens. Yeah, I did get the greens. Yeah. Okay, everything is ready. I got the ham and everything, so ready to eat. Bill gonna say a prayer and we greens. The greens are smoking over here. Okay, here is my beautiful turkey. I just took out of the oven. It was in the oven for 2.5 hours. It's a 10-pound bird. So I left it in there for 2.5 hours. So I waited until this little red thing popped out, and that's how long it took for that little red thing to pop out. But it's a beautiful turkey, and can't wait to have some on Thanksgiving Day. I just received some food I ordered over the internet, and it's not a sponsored video or anything like that. I'm just gonna open it and share it with you, and if it's good, I will let you know whether or not the food is really good. These are some sausages. These are turkey sausages that I ordered. And I'm gonna open the box now. The person that was advertising these sausages, and I said I would try them, his name is Butter Bob. So this is my first time ordering these sausages, and if they aren't good, I probably will on my videos and website. So this is the company that I ordered from. It's called uswellnessmeat.com, and like I said, it was very difficult for me to find some turkey sausages with no sugar in them. So this company sell products like that, and I'll let you see what they look like. In order to get a shipment free, you have to spend at least $75 or more in order to receive the meat free. So notice it's in a box here. I'm gonna go ahead and try to take it out of this box. Oops, it's pretty heavy. Okay, just seal all up. when I ordered from Giordano Pizza. That's before I was keto, and I was missing the Chicago pizza. So I ordered that, and they had theirs in a container like this, and it was very fresh. And they gave you instructions how to cook it in the oven. And I felt like I was in Chicago again. So that's amazing. You can buy the things that you used to, you love. They got a sealed, a gel pack, and it's still very cold. I ordered the beef bacon for Bill to let him try that. And I ordered the duck fat for cooking in. So I ordered 2 containers of these. These are like $22 each. So I ordered 2 of those. And here are the turkey Italian sausages. And I ordered quite a few of these, so I'm hoping that they are good, because we love sausages, but we just haven't found any that are very good. And they frozen too, so I won't be able to cook these today, but maybe tomorrow. So that's it. Wait a minute, something else is here. Wait a minute. Oh, another ice pack. Very nice. So you know your food is fine. It's all frozen, so you're good to go. So just wanted to share that with you. So that was a nice haul, and I just went grocery shopping again this morning. And so I just finished putting up things. So I'm gonna show you what I have for dinner today. Let me just show you. This is what I cooked today. It's some chicken legs. I sauteed them on the stove for a little bit so they can turn brown. Then I have some celery, green beans in there, and peppers. So it's our dinner for today. It looks very, very good. See that? Really good. It's almost like, it is a smothered chicken. You can smother chicken with anything. It's just, see, it made its own gravy there. I have lots of butter in here, so it's like a smothered chicken dinner. So this is what we have in the dinner. Sausages are very good, very good. This is the company I ordered them from. They're very good. I changed the oil I added the duck fat in my fryer here, and I ordered 2 containers of duck fat, but I will have to order probably another 2 more to fill my fryer, because every once in a while I like fried chicken with no batter or anything on it. I just fry it. I usually marinate it overnight with with some salt and pepper. And the next day I dry it off and just fry it in the fryer. This is what the chicken looks like. Chicken I bought at Walmart's is very small wings. You can see why I just fried them whole, because they're not big at all. But I like the duck fat. It has a nice buttery taste to it, and it fries up the chicken just like you got a batter on it. I mean, it's very crispy. You see how crispy it is, and it tastes amazing. All right, so this is their information here. So I will place a link in my description box, okay? Take care. Oh, cooking a banana pudding. It's Thanksgiving, but don't.
Go to bed. Don't eat nothing sweet.
Yeah, you don't need nothing sweet.
Can I take some of the banana pudding? You still might want to eat some. What spoon did you use for this? I use this and just rinse it off.
You guys want some more peach cobbler to take for the freezer? Yeah, looks good. Yeah, keep going. You'll be okay. Look at this. You guys got a lot of banana pudding. Somebody. Then we can put some more cookies on the side. Okay. Might have to send Uncle Jimmy some of this.
Right.
Okay, put it in the sink. Put it in the sink. Oh, that looks good. Oh, that's beautiful.
It is.
That is gorgeous. So if you like this video, like, comment, and share this video. It's a
Subscribe.
wonderful day. Subscribe.